Hello and welcome to our tool review videos. Today I would like to talk about an interesting tool, which is this one. It's called a combination tool because as you can see, it's basically a combination of the following tools that have been welded together. So although if you have the separate tools you could try and recreate the same effect using them separately, but if you know how to use these tools you can achieve really nice effects on both leaves and petals, which I'm going to show later, well, some of them, because obviously there might be more uses for this. It's quite a wide tool, as you can see, and it's one of the latest tools that have been added to the set of millinery tools. It's not probably a traditional tool, but it is quite a cool one, and you will see in the video today. We have met it in some of the tutorials, definitely in the silk water lily tutorial where we used it for the leaves. So I will probably start with a leaf here as well. I have already prepared some elements here, so it's a couple of rose petals. This is a poppy petal and a poppy leaf, and this tool is usually used in combination with other tools, so you probably wouldn't be using it on its own. So these petals, for example, have been shaped with round tools first and then with tweezers. The poppy petal has been shaped using a cold shaping method, which I describe on my blog. Plus, again, you can see the tweezers. And the leaf has been backed and shaped with a knife tool a little bit to give some veining. And we're going to give more volume to the leaf with this combination tool. So what you can do is you can start from either back or front. I'm using a medium pad here, so you can see immediately it's quite a wide tool, so immediately you get quite a bit of shaping. And then I'm going to alternate sides a little bit, so some sides to be shaped, some parts to be shaped on the right side and some on the wrong side of the leaf. It's particularly nice to be used on wide leaves and petals, because as I said, the working surface of it is quite wide, so you are shaping quite a bit of your leaf or a petal. So here is a poppy leaf. It's quite quick. You can use other tools as well to achieve something similar, but if you have this one, please use that for best effect. These petals seem to be already shaped, but we can enhance the shaping by using this tool, and if you have been to my workshops you have probably already used this tool for the same purpose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this tool just underneath my tweezer curls to sort of enhance the shape, to make the shape of the petal a bit more curled, a bit more closed. So if you let the fabric cool down a little bit, so here is your petal now. It's like more, it's a deeper one, if I can say so. On this one what we can do is we can shape one part of it from the right side to enhance the concave, and then we can shape the other one, the other side, from the wrong side to make it look as though it's been, you know, curling up. It's like an old petal, it's going to fall off the rose soon. So sort of effects like that. So going just under my tweezer shaping, so I don't ruin the tweezers, then I'm turning it around and doing the same or similar thing from the wrong side here. So it's going to be quite twisted, this petal. So you see it's curled up like this. So it's like an old petal that is just about to fall off the rose. It's already curling up, drying up. Again, this petal is quite shaped already, but you can use this tool to enhance some of the parts of the petal, to make them deeper, or to enhance the concaves. Again, going carefully underneath the shaping of the tweezers that I have already done. In each pile of the petals I have 4 petals, so they look quite dark and thick, but it's 4 petals actually in each of the piles. So there you go. This is a poppy petal. Obviously now it's very curled, but as soon as I start dividing them into 4 separate petals, it will look all more airy and light. And I prefer the petals to be shaped maybe slightly over shaped initially, because if they're not really shaped too much initially, then by the time you've assembled your rose, it's going to show really no signs of shaping. So better to overdo it at this point, so then when you've assembled your rose, it looks just right. Alright, so here is this combination tool. You've seen some of the uses today. Obviously it doesn't stop here. You can use it on any large multi-petal large sized roses, poppies, peonies, on leaves like this, on large rose leaves, on water lily leaves, on lotus leaves, and on other flowers as well. It is available separately in my shop, and you can buy it to enhance the set of tools that you already have. And I hope you will find a good use for this tool. Thank you for today, and see you again, or speak again, in the next tool review video. Bye bye!